Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back into BV Tutorials. In this video, we are going to start the new chapter, that is the phenol. Let's start. Now what is meant by phenol? See, phenol is an aromatic hydroxy compound in which hydroxyl group is directly attached to the benzene ring. In another word, phenol can be defined as if one or more hydrogen atoms from benzene ring are replaced by same number of hydroxyl group, then the formed compounds are phenol. So here is the benzene from which hydrogen atom can be removed and same number of OH groups are placed, we can get the phenols. In phenol, hydroxyl group is directly linked to the carbon atom of the benzene. So initially we will discuss about the structure of the phenol, in which molecular orbital structure of the phenol. We know that the molecular formula of phenol is C6H6O. It contains 6 carbon atoms, 6 hydrogen atoms and only 1 oxygen atom. Phenol contains carbon-hydrogen single bond, carbon-oxygen single bond, carbon-carbon single bond, oxygen-hydrogen single bond and carbon-carbon double bonds. In phenol, all carbon atoms are sp2 hybridized. Oxygen atom is sp3 hybridized, and we know that hydrogen atom contains only one s orbital. Now let's see how these bonds can form in the phenol. One sp2 hybrid orbital on each carbon atom overlap with each other to form the carbon-carbon sigma bond. Then, one sp2 hybrid orbitals on one carbon atom overlap with sp3 hybrid orbital of oxygen atom to form carbon-oxygen sigma bond. Then, sp2 hybrid orbitals of the remaining carbon atom overlap with s orbitals of hydrogen atom to form carbon-hydrogen sigma bond. Then one sp3 hybrid orbital of oxygen atom overlap with s orbital of hydrogen atom to form oxygen-hydrogen sigma. So in this way, all sigma bonds formed in the phenol. All produced sigma bonds lies in the same plane. The next structure of the phenol we are going to discuss is the resonance structure. See, in phenol, a resonance interaction takes place between lone pair of electrons on oxygen atom and benzene ring, as shown in the resonating structures. So here in the phenol, the lone pair of electrons from oxygen gets converted into double bond between oxygen atom and carbon atom, and due to electron-electron repulsion, the next pi electrons from the pi bond gets converted into the electrons on the benzene ring. Then that lone pair of electron creates a pi bond, and again due to electron-electron repulsion, adjacent pi bond gets converted into the electrons on the benzene ring at para position. And this goes on. So phenol is a resonance hybrid of these canonical bonds. Now due to resonance, carbon and oxygen atom in phenol acquires a double bond character, so it becomes short and strong. If you like this video, kindly subscribe our channel, that is the BV Tutorials. Thank you.